Ayo boss, and welcome back. Today we're going to show you a quick 30-minute meal that's great for lunch and or dinner. It's going to be a turkey cheddar panini. That's right, we're going to pull out the old panini grill and show you to make a very simple sandwich you can put together in well under 30 minutes and has a great taste, as well as you can do a lot of changing of ingredients that you want to do. So let's go ahead and get cooking. The first thing you're going to do is start off with your bread. Chef here has a couple pieces of rye bread, changed it up a little. He's going to butter one of the sides and one of the sides only for right now. But he said you could also use white or you can use panini bread. It's up to you, sourdough. The other piece he's going to put a little bit of honey mustard on. You can do mayo or different things like that. A slice of sharp cheddar cheese. And then go ahead and add your meat. Chef's going to do some thinly shaved turkey. This is a honey turkey. And then a couple freshly cooked pieces of warm bacon. A couple nicely layered out pieces of onion. Topped with a couple thin sliced pieces of tomato. Once that's done, layer with one more piece of sharp cheddar cheese. And then place the last piece of bread on top with that butter up. Make sure your panini grill's nice and hot, and then place the sandwich with the butter side down, and then take your butter and then just get the top of the top piece. This way the butter won't stick to the cutting board or fall or anything like that. So butter the second piece last. Once that's all set, we're just going to lower our panini grill top and let it do the work. Several minutes until you have those nice golden brown. Once you feel it's ready, go ahead and slide it off. As you can see, it has those beautiful line marks. The cheese is melted. It is all set, ready to be cut. So take a nice sharp knife and just once down the middle. Don't forget, all the ingredients will be down below, but feel free to mix and match to make your own sandwich. Then just go ahead and plate this up. Something like some chips or a fresh salad or a pickle. Definitely makes a great dinner or lunch. We definitely hope you enjoy this video. Thanks to all of our viewers and friends and subscribers who have been supporting us and watching us. Definitely check out last week's video. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And we'll definitely see you soon. Don't forget, everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.